your math video. I am your math teacher Jeevita. Today's class will be learning about word problems, or it is also known as statement problems. And everyone feels math is difficult, especially in the statement problem, because they already know how to do addition, subtraction, but they feel very difficult to write statements. So today I will be teaching you how will you find the statement for writing the statement problem. So please carefully watch the video till the end. Okay students, now so statement problems you should never see it as a problem. Oh my god, it's some problem. No, don't see it like that. It's like a story. Okay, if you read a storybook, how you read the story? Like that you have to read the story. Okay, read the question as if it is a story. And then think what is the problem in that and how to solve that. This is the first step you have to do whenever you read the word problem. Okay, in today's class I am going to say the word problem. I am not going to write it in words like how you read in textbook. Let's see a story. Okay, a small story. This story doesn't have once upon a time all those things. Just a small incident. Okay, so you can see there's a light pole and some birds sitting on it. So how many birds are sitting here? Is 4 birds. We have 4 birds sitting on a light pole, and then some more birds come and join them. Some more birds come and join them. So what happens now? The number increased, right? Some more came in, so number became more. So when the number has to become more, absolutely you should add something to it, right? So how many birds came in? 2 birds came in, and because number is getting more, that means you have to add. So now you know what to do with this problem. You should add and say. So this is an addition problem. How do you get to know? Because the number is increasing. First you had some number and next something else is coming in and joining together. So the number absolutely is going to increase. So we should do addition. Okay, you know to add the numbers 4 and 2, that's very easy. But what about the statement? How shall I write the statement now? Children, you know, first you are going to write 4 and then you are going to write 2. Add them to get my answer. This not having any confusion. You're going to do this. Yes. But what to write the statement here? For that, children, just see what is the 4. What is 4 representing here? This number of birds which already was there, right? Before only the birds were sitting there. 4 is the number of birds already sitting there. So, to get the statement, you should see the number. Check the question. What is this number telling about? Now, what is 4 telling about? It is talking about the birds which is sitting already here. So, that is the statement. The bird already sitting on it. So, the bird already sitting on it was the first statement. Now, see what is about 2. Go to the question. See what is 2 representing. 2 is telling about the birds which came after some time. So, this is the bird which joined after some time. So, we'll say bird already sitting. Bird already sitting. That is 4. Next, this 2 is telling about the birds joined later. Birds joined later. See children, this statement is your own normal English. Okay? You can also write birds already sitting on the pole or birds which were already there. All these things. Anything, but you should tell what is this 4 representing there. Same thing for 2, the birds flew in. Means birds came flying in. Or birds joined later. Birds which came extra. Anything you can write as a statement. Okay? But you should understand the story. That is very important. And what is the final statement? How do you find that? For that, you should see the question mark statement in the question. What is the question I am asking in this story? I am asking you to tell how many birds are all together. So you should write the answer for that. If I ask you how many birds are all together, how will you answer me in statement? The birds all together are. That is how you answer me, right? Same thing you write here. The birds all together are. Same thing. Or you also can write total number of birds. All these things you can write here. So this is about the story problem. Same thing in, let us take an oral example. Now, my friend's birthday. Okay, I have a friend and his birthday is today, and I am giving him about a gift. Okay, I am giving him one gift, and my one more friend is giving him two gifts. Okay, and the other friend is giving 5 gifts. Now what should I do now? Find totally how many gifts he got. So now you can understand. Now we are collecting the gifts and the number is becoming big. So it is absolutely addition. How will the statement be? First, what is one telling? The gift I gave. So the gift given by me, Jeevita. Next, what is 2 telling? The gift given by the other friend. So let us keep the friend's name as friend 1. So second statement will be gift given by the friend 1. Next, 5 gifts represents the friend 3. So you can say number of gifts given by the friend 3. Totally what I am counting? Total number of gifts. That's it, children. We will do some more problems in the classwork part, then you will understand better. Now let us go for subtraction. So now you know how to write a statement for any problem, right? Okay. Now let us take the same example. You have how many birds here? Is 6 birds. So there are 6 birds on a pole and the 2 birds flew away. Means how many birds flew away? 2 birds flew away. So how many birds are remaining here? Okay, so the number is getting less, that is subtracted. So you know 6 minus how many birds are flying, you subtract, you get the answer. Now can you guess the statement of it? So the number of birds sitting. What is the 6 representing? Number of birds sitting in the beginning. So you write number of birds sitting on the pole. Number of birds sitting. Okay, let us write forward. Number of birds sitting. Next, what is this 2 telling? The 2 is telling how many birds flew away. So, 2 is nothing but number of birds that flew away. So, now what am I finding? Number of remaining birds. That will be my statement, last statement. Number of birds remaining. So that will be my statement, that is 4. So this was subtraction. You know how to do subtraction and addition. The only thing is statement, children. For any problem, you should just see how will you find the statement. For that, you should see what is the number representing in that question. In the example, I took very small numbers because you should understand. In the classical part, you have a very large number. But let it be a small number or let it be a big number. It doesn't matter at all, children. The only important thing is what that number tells you. That is what is very important. Okay, children. Now let's come for a very important part in the word problem. So now you saw the number is increasing, number is decreasing, but it was small number, so you can identify easily. What if you have a very big number? That time you can't keep on thinking whether it is increasing or decreasing. So I'll tell you some keywords for finding whether it is addition problem or subtraction problem. For addition problem. For addition problem, you will have keywords like total. In the question, if you find any word saying total, all together, and then sum, join, because telling that these types of words, then it means the problem is addition. Okay? Total, all together, sum, all three are very important. Mainly you can see total in the statement. If you see the statement, then it is understood that is an addition problem. So when you are reading the question, carefully read and you find these words so that you will understand this addition problem. Okay children? Next. For subtraction. For subtraction also you have some keywords to find the problem is for subtraction. Those are, first word, difference. Lesser than, remaining, left. If you see all these words, you have some more. If you see all these words, then it means definitely a subtraction problem. So you understand we should do subtraction in that. So now we are finished the explanation part for the statement problem. Now let's go for the classwork part. So I want you all to take your classwork book along with your textbook also and all the geometrical material you need.
Let's continue the classwork part. Addition, subtraction, word problems. Now you know how to identify the word statements to be written in word problems, children. You can refer the page number 99 in your textbook for the questions. So for fresh page, write exercise 2.1 only we are writing. So third means statement problems, or you can also say word problems. Statement problems. So I am going to select few which I feel is difficult for you to solve, and I am going to solve 5 sums. The other sums will be for you to try it out. So I have selected the sums here, children. You can see the first one, third, fourth, fifth and the 11th one. You can copy the questions from the textbook and we will write the answers now. Yes, now I have copied the question. You can also copy the question and then come. So answer, we will leave one line and write the answer. For statement problems, you have to write the statements first. So how to find the statements? You can see here you have a number. So what is this number telling? This number is population of Karnataka. So population of Karnataka is this much. This number. So if you want to represent this number, you should tell population of Karnataka is. So write population of Karnataka is how much? 9678. Leave little gap and write of children. This much. Next, what is this number telling? It is population of and that of population of Tamil Nadu. That of means they are telling same how population in Karnataka is this much, same like that Tamil Nadu has also population so much. So this number is representing population of Tamil Nadu. So the statement will be population of Tamil Nadu is equals to, you should write from ones place, children, otherwise you will go wrong. So always make a habit of writing from ones place. Now what is the keyword here? Total population. So total represents which operation? Fundamental operation plus addition. And final statement will be find the total population. That is what is in the question. So you will write the answer for that. the total population is. The total population is equals to what's the answer? You should add this number, you will get your answer. Add the numbers now. 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. 3, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15. 5, 1 carry. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1, 13. 3, 1 carry. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. 1, 1 carry. 7 plus 6, 13 plus 1, 14. 4, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 8, 18. So insert the commas to read the number. So it is 18 crore 41 lakh 35,307. This is the population of both Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Now let us go for the next question. Children, now I am going to copy the third question from the textbook. So you should not get confused. I am writing the same number as the question number also here. Copy the question from the textbook and come back, children. Yes, I have copied the question here. Now first I should think, what is this number telling me? This number is telling that this is the number of sandalwood trees in the forest. So when I am writing a statement, I will write that number of sandalwood trees in the forest. This is a short form of number of sandalwood trees. So let's write this number, leave a little gap and write like this so that it will be easy for calculating part. And next, what is this number telling me? It is telling the number of trees that died. So let us write number of trees died. So children, whenever you are writing statement sums, make sure you read the full question once and then decide what is this number telling. So let's write from the ones place. 4, 1, 2, 3, 8, 7. And now, what is the operation should I do here? Should I subtract or should I add? How to decide? Search for the keyword. How many trees are left? So the keyword is left, which tells me this is subtraction. So write subtraction sign. Now what is the final statement here? You can see the question last statement to get the statement for the third one. So what is the last statement here? How many trees are left in the forest? So how will you answer this? Number of trees left in the forest. So write that as a statement. Number of trees left in the forest. So let's subtract the numbers now. You can't subtract 3 and 4. You can't start counting 4 and end up with 3. So you have to borrow. So 3 becomes 13. The next number 8 becomes 7. Now start counting from 4. Stop when you get 13. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So my answer is 9. Now start counting from 1, stop at 7, you get 6. Start counting from 2, stop at 6, you get 4. Start counting from 3, stop at 9, you get 6. You can't start count from 8 and stop in 4. You can't count backside, right? So 4 becomes 14 when you borrow. The next number 8 becomes 7. Now start counting from 8 and stop at 14. You get answer 6. 7 minus 7 is 0. 9 minus nothing here means 0. That is, answer is 9 only. So what is the number of trees left now? Insert the commas and read it. 90,66,469 trees are left in the forest. Same thing will copy next. The fourth question. Copy the question, children. So what is the question here is the difference of two numbers is so much. If one of the number is this, find the other. So what is this number telling me? It is the difference of two numbers. So that is my statement. The difference. Children, see, this doesn't start with number of. I'm not always statements. Some should come from number of. No, it's not the right conclusion. You should see what is this number telling me. This number is telling me or representing me the difference of two numbers. So that is my statement. The difference of two numbers is equals to, write that number, give little gap like this and write. Now what is the next number here? That what is that number telling me? One of the number is. So one of the number. One of the number. That is the given number here. So you should write this number. But there is a small change here, children. I'll tell you. Now what should you find? Find the other number. So what you should tell means what should you write? The other number is. Yes, the other number is. But you can see the keyword difference here. That means we should subtract. Right? Can you see the upper number is smaller than the below number? Can you subtract like that? This total number, when you compare, this is smaller, this is greater number. You cannot subtract when you have like this. So let me write the sum again. In the statement part, this is coming first, so I have to write that number first. I have to tell the first coming number only in the statement. So let's subtract here. Write the numbers correctly in the order and subtract. 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 3, 5. No, sorry, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. So my answer you can see here, it is 11,20,465. That I should write it here. 11,20,465. Okay, children? This is clear? Now let's go for the next sum. The next sum is the textbook 5th sum. I will write the question and get back to you. You also copy the question, children. So you can see the question is very short and sweet. The number, what number should be added to this to get this number? What you have? So you have to write question mark. So how will you write the statement for this? What is this number telling? This is number to be added, right? What number should be added to? So this is number to which I should add something to get a number. So this is the number which I should get. This is the number I should add something to it. So what should I tell here? So let me write this first number. The number to get. Okay, because again it is subtraction. No need of doing again a working column here. Let us write first the bigger number. So the bigger number. What should I write? Write the statement for this. This is number to be get. No, the number that we want to get. So you write the number to be got. The number to be got. Write the number to be got. And the number to be added, that I should find. What's the number to be added? That I should find. Okay. But what is this number telling? One of the number which is already there. Okay. So let's write the number given. It's already given to us. So I'll write number given. And I should find what? The number to be added with this. So I'll write the number to be added is equals to. So for finding this, you should do subtraction, children. Let's subtract 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. It's all easy subtraction. So, what you should add for this number? You should add 14,71,200 with the given number here. Then you will get this number. That is the meaning of the problem. Now, let's go for the last problem, which is the 11th one in your textbook. I'll turn my page to write this question. You also please copy the question from the textbook and come back. So, I'll read the question, children, now. Mr. Simon has rupees 20 lakh in his bank account. He's purchased a car for rupees 4 lakhs, TV for rupees 45,000 and the sofa set for rupees 98,400. He also spent rupees 40,000 on other household articles. What is the total amount spent by him? How much money does he have in his bank now? You can see you have two questions to be answered. One is how much is the total amount. So total means addition. One, you should do addition. How much money does he have in the bank now? So nothing but how much is left in the bank. That is subtraction. So you have to do both addition and subtraction in this problem. So first let us add then find the answer for the addition problem. What you have to add here is all the things which he took, means which he bought for the house. So first let me write answer. What is this 4 lakh telling? Don't go with 20 lakh now only. Okay, first let us take the things what he bought and find the total. 4 lakhs is telling about the car he purchased. So rupees, when you have rupees you should write cost or you can also write amount. Because in the question we have amount, I will also write amount of car or amount spent on car. Amount spent on car. That is 4 lakh. I'll write 4 lakh in numbers, children. I have written in numbers 4 lakh. Now next is 45,000. What is this 45,000 rupees? That's a TV set. So amount spent on TV is 40,000. So 40,000. Next, after 40, so it's not 40,000, it's 45,000 children TV. 45,000. Next is 98,400. What is that? Sofa set. So you write amount spent on sofa set. It's 98,400. Next, still he spent something. He spent 40,000 for other household articles. So you write amount spent on other household articles. How much did he spend? He spent 40,000. So what I am going to do, I should find the total how much he spent. So I should add all this number and write here. Children, see, I am leaving this line because my statement ends here. And this statement, last statement is ending here. I can't write other number. That number will belong to this statement. No, it's not be right. So I am leaving this line and going for the next line for writing my answer. So what is an answer I am going to find here is total amount spent by him. So I am going to write total amount spent. So let's add all the things. You get the answer. Children, you can add slowly. So this is the amount he has spent on so many things. Okay. Now, what should I say? I should find the amount which is left in his bank. For that, first I should know the amount he has in his bank. So amount in bank. The next statement is amount. Leave one line because we are going to do subtraction now. We finish addition. will go for subtraction. So I am leaving one line. Amount in his bank account. How much he has? He has 20 lakhs. So write that write that name in numbers. So how much did he spend? Amount spent. How much did he spend from this? He spent this much. That is 5,83,400. So let me write that number now. So what should I find now? Amount left in his account. So write amount left in his account. For that, what should I do? Subtract. So let's do subtraction. You know you can't subtract 4 with 0. So I should borrow. This becomes 10. When this becomes 9, 9, 9 and 1. Now you can subtract this. Children, you already know subtraction, so I am writing the direct answers. If you have any confusion, let us discuss in the interactive class. So what is the amount which is left in his bank now? He has 14,16,600 in his bank. So let us stop the class for this year. In the next class we will go over the next exercise. Please complete your classwork, children, with the questions. I am going to check the book in the interactive class. Thank you. Bye bye.